long answer is the canyons got deeper, which you guys mentioned. The deltas were larger. So do you remember that? Because it kind of created almost two streams. And they were longer. And then the water, so with the steeper slopes, it caused more erosion. How did slope affect the time it took for landforms to appear? Yeah.
It was faster and it kind of went farther down the reservoir.
So by being harder, how did that affect it?
Eroded.
So it just helped with the erosion? Mm-hmm. What differences did you observe in the landforms when you used the flood water source? Do you remember how you had like the bigger hole in the cup when you used the flood? How did that change it? They're bigger? Yeah. Yeah, a lot faster, didn't it? Do you guys remember how long it took? Yeah. I think it was only about 2 minutes. You remember that? Yeah. So, what are the different ways people use to control the flow of water in a river? You guys talked about this just earlier. Yeah? Or not, Kate? David?
They make levees.
They make levees, yeah? That's one way.
They make dams so it doesn't flood their houses.
Uh-huh. Any way else you guys remember?
They make it wider.
Yeah. So you can build like cement so it doesn't rot up, or so it doesn't continue to get larger. You can also, they make it wider, like creeks and stuff sometimes if they're too small and it's flooding too much, they just build it out. Are there any, so you guys want to go ahead and take out your word search again? And then if there's any words you don't remember, let's go ahead and go over those. So reading through those list of words, are there any that you don't know what they mean? Yeah? A sediment? A sediment is like a rock or a bunch of dirt or something, and that's carried along. It's just kind of stuff that sits at the bottom of the stream. That makes sense? Yeah. Yeah? An alluvial fan. Do you guys know at the bottom, when it takes all the sediments with it, the sediments form in the shape of an alluvial fan? So it's like all the dirt and stuff that's at the bottom of where it kind of like ends. You know? Yeah? No, they're different because a delta is the water. It's similar, but the delta's at the mouth of the stream and the fan is at the end of the canyon. Yeah? A cartographer is a person, so you know how it's a scientist who studies maps or makes maps. So it's a profession. Is that all of them? You guys know them all? Should we do a quick little? Okay. Someone tell me what slope is. Can I go?
It's like pretty much like when it's curved up and then goes down.
it up would increase the slope. Yeah. What's the difference between a flash flood and a flood? Riley?
The flash flood goes much quicker and holds a lot more water.
It doesn't necessarily hold a lot more water, it's just because it's so quick, there's a lot more water at once. Yeah? Anyone else have another difference? Yeah?
It's and it has a lot of water in a really short period of time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. But it could also be from like if there was a change in weather in the mountains, like you could say, and all the snow melted all of a sudden, that could also create a flash flood. But it's usually because of a lot of rain. What causes floods usually? Anyone know? Yeah. When a river overflows and floods like the plains and stuff. Yeah. That's what makes the river flood though.
When there's a lot of rain.
Yeah. So maybe like not necessarily a lot of rain at once, but a lot of rain over a long period of time.
Danielle,
Yes.
Tristan Cade's glasses were just dropped off.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What is a canyon?
It's kind of like a really deep river that doesn't go all the way up the sides.
Is it a river or what is a canyon made out of?
Erosion.
It's formed from erosion, but it's like usually rock. Yeah? So it's a landform. Why do we use dams and levees? To hold it back. What's another reason?
Keep from floods.
Keep it from flooding?
Make lakes.
Make lakes, yeah. Do you have another one?
To make the water go into the ocean.
Yeah. So those are about the 4 reasons. What's a channel? This is from the very beginning. You guys remember this?
A bunch of water.
A bunch of water? Kind of. More of the way kind of a water goes. So like the path it takes. What's a plateau?
It's a flat area and it's just a flat area
Yeah, it's a flat area that's usually above the river, so it's formed from the erosion or from the shifting of the plates that forces it up, and it's flat. And then a basin is a flat area kind of down inside of the river. Do you guys remember that? Okay. You guys want to try and finish up your word search, be more special as you can. And then there's an answer key up here if you guys think you have all.
Where's channel?
Or you have one that
Where's
isn't.
landform? Where's landform?
Yeah, found it.
Right there. Where? Right there.
Here.
Oh, I have channel.
No.
You guys are close.
I didn't get